A little less packaging. Y'all know what this one is. Oh, I told y'all. Hey, listen. I told y'all to stay. I told y'all to stay in the house on this one. I told y'all to stay in the house. Or, you know, if you was on the porch, you could come outside with me. But if you was in the house, you had to stay inside the house, close the doors, you know, close the windows, pull down the blinds. We got that Casa Es Su Casa. Jordan 8s. So on the tag, we got Air Jordan 8 Retro SP. Casa Su Casa. Es Su Casa. When I kept on saying this, I kept on saying my house, your house. But it's my house is your house. This is the house of Hittas. And it looks like the box is a cigar. It has a cigar theme to it. I haven't had a cigar in a long time, actually. Well, you know, I lied. I had a cigar for my birthday. That's it. I think that's the only cigar I've had like in the last probably like 8 months, probably a year. I probably had one cigar, which is kind of crazy. But it's got a cigar box theme to it. You got the tape on the front. They suppose, you know, that's what we keep, you know, you keep the cigar box closed with. You got it on the front. Dope. Ooh, look at it. All right. Got some good clean shoe paper here. You love the cigar theme? I love it too. Listen, Solefly is out of Miami. Miami's good weather to be smoking a cigar. Listen, Tampa, Ybor City. Somebody talk. Where my cigar heads at? Who's been down to Ybor City, man? Shoe paper got that Cuban type towel to it. Casa Es Su Casa. What's that Bad Bunny song? Oh, listen to that. Hold on. Let's talk about it. I think we're gonna have a little bit. We might have a little bit of different energy around this one. Hold on. You said me, but never been there. Hey, 2-3 soul kicks. We gotta make a trip. To Tampa. Hogan's Beach. Yeah, these are clean. Casa Es Su Casa. All right, let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can do it justice on the screen. I think I gotta show y'all some more of that box. I think some more detail in that box too. Where we going? Where we going with this one? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 2, or 3. Interesting enough, you know what I'm noticing? There's a ton of different materials on here. 1, Casa Es Su Casa. Yo, like there's a bunch of different colors on here, in materials. I'm gonna try to go through it. Hopefully the camera can catch it tonight. So if y'all can see that, that's like a nubuck on the toe in the straps. And then when you get to the side, like it's like a woven material, right? We've been seeing. I'm gonna try to kind of zoom it back. But then it's nubuck on the side right here. But it's sail. It's not. It's like a fossil white. So I've been reading before I even got to the shoe. I think they calling it a fossil white. 1. You said, no, what kind of pants would you wear with these? That's interesting. Interesting question. Now having them in hand. And hold on. Let's do this real quick. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna take the straps off. Actually having them in hand, I don't know. That's an interesting question. With them being primarily white and sail, I could really kill it. I could kill it in the summertime and in the wintertime. Sometime I gotta hit y'all with that. I might have to hit y'all with a linen white. Let my shirt blow in the breeze type thing. You know what I'm saying? do some monochromatic look. Hold on. Here we go. Casa Es Su Casa. Let me see. Let me get this up on the screen. It's actually like a white. There we go. That's perfect. And y'all gotta forgive my hands, man. It's cold outside. You said this one is a heater? Don't say it because I'm giving y'all all this energy, man. Y'all listen, I know I wasn't as hype about those fear guards. You could have said one on the fear guards too. So it's sail on the laces, sail on the iron stays, but then it's like this fossil white above it. Look at the outsole. Outsole clean. Outsole is like, it's really white with like a cream. Let's see if we can get up on it. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, this one's fire, man. What you thinking?
It's a cool shoe.
It's a cool shoe? What about this? Which one you like better? Oh God. Yo, hey Jerry, man. You gotta get it together, Jerry. What they look like?
It's like, it looks like it has like this, the black part looks like a Converse part, and then the bottom part looks like a little bit of like a Adidas part, and then the bottom part just looks like rubber.
What oh, you said the bottom look what? The bottom look like Converse?
No, I said this part looks like Converse. That part looks
this looks like Converse.
Adidas.
This looks like Adidas.
Like rubber.
It look like rubber.
Yeah. I don't mess with that. That's a 3.
That's a 3?
That's a 3.
What about on the 10-point scale?
That's a 3.
It's still a 3.
I'm sorry.
Yo, listen, man. I swear I come up here tonight to rag on these fear cards. What we giving these now? Also, too, I just noticed on the lace, they got jump. Oh man, see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Got Jumpman logo on the eye, on the lace tip. I mean, he said we already know what sneakers gonna walk the. Hey, you're a smart man, Emery. You're a smart man. You know, you already know. We'll see. Hopefully I can get rid of the way y'all talking. The kid that gave him a 3 on both scales. These are 10?
Yeah, those are really dope.
Wow. These are a 10?
Yes.
Why would you say they're a 10?
They look like a really nice shoe, and the material looks really nice. I like the way it's like color coded.
Right. So you like the fact that they got like different, it's even like I just noticed this on the medial side. It's like a different white right here too. I don't even know why. This is like canvas. This is like canvas right here on this side. This might be because the shoe on the inside, they don't want you to rub. They don't want you to rub the woven material. I don't know, but that's canvas right there. Y'all can see that? It's literally only canvas right here. Right there and right there. It's canvas. I'm trying to see if I can do it backwards. There. But then it goes straight to just like nubuck material on the toe. So, yeah. I can't do that. Hold that. You can look at that. I'm gonna put that. I don't know why these kids be trying to get you to dance so much, man. I was like,
Just.
we said we don't dance no more. All we do is this. All we do is this. It's called, you should sit up against the wall and look, nod your head. Hold on, man. Yeah, this is right here. This is cold. Now on the 10-point scale, I would definitely say this is above average. So we're going definitely above 5. 6. I think the materials are all premium. For people that got this shoe coming in, this shoe is nothing but premium materials. I'm gonna tell you that. The materials alone, I think, pushes it in that 8 range. I think I'm gonna leave it right there at 8. That's it. But I think just the quality of materials, the fact that, you know, it's layered. I love the fact that it's layered in different materials. I don't even think the camera is doing it justice, but it looks like a very premium shoe. It's a very premium shoe. And honestly, I didn't even talk about the lace buckle. Lace buckle is gold. Now, this is not. Now, I will say this. I was comparing this shoe to the trophy rooms from last year. Does this get a spot on sneaker of the year?